So here we're going to solve the system of equation using substitution, and in this case we know that one equation is already solved for x or y. So what I recommend you do when you're looking at your two equations, if one is already solved for x or y, you want to either star it like I did, or you want to circle it. So you're kind of identifying that so you can remember it later. So I'm going to use the fact that y equals x plus 8, and I'm going to substitute that in to the other equation. So if y equals x plus 8, then I can substitute that in here for y. Y is x plus 8? Okay. So I'm going to rewrite this as x plus 8. You see what I did? Instead of y, I wrote x plus 8 because y equals x plus 8. Now we're going to go through and solve this equation. You want to first look at each side of the equal sign. So look over here and see if there's any like terms that we can combine, like this x plus x. And then you look over on the other side and see if there's any like terms that you can combine. And there aren't any on the right side. So I see I can combine x plus x, so that's the same as 2x plus 8 equals 2. And then I move on and solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, and then I'm going to divide by 2. So what I've done is I just found out that x equals -3. So we're halfway there. Now we just need to figure out what y equals. And what we're going to do is we are going to use the fact that we know what y equals. Y equals x plus 8. That's why we starred it or circled it at the beginning. So let's go back to that, and we're going to substitute in what x equals into that original equation that we starred or circled. So if x is -3, I'm just substituting that in for x, and then -3 plus 8 is 5. So my solution, I'm sorry, there's a typo here. My solution is that x equals -3 and y equals 5. Or you can write it as the point, -3, 5. This is a solution to both of those equations in that system.